Alright, here we go. Removing the ceiling fan.
First thing you want to do is make sure the power's off. So if you have a fan on the switch, you see it's on, now it's off. And we'll double check when we disconnect the wiring. If you have a remote switch fan, which are really common nowadays, hardwired, then you're going to need to find the breaker to turn it off. Every fan's different. I don't see a brand on this one, so you kind of just gotta. A lot of times you have to take the blades off. I always try to get away with not doing it because it saves you a step. You have 4 screws up here. This is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. I like Milwaukee. They're magnetic. It's nice for putting them on. If you can get a screw gun in there, that works too. There's just not a lot of room with the flush mount fan. And this one, to get at everything, we are gonna have to take the blades off. Do that. Take the light kit off. There you go, Mike. Go. Screw gun would probably be better, but I figure by the time I get down and find it and get back up here, I'll be able to get the blades off. Definitely putting them together, I like to use I like to hand tighten them. You don't over tighten or strip anything. Taking things apart doesn't really matter. Especially if I keep that. That's your help. Yep. Come off to the excess. So it's got a little T there, so it's sitting there like this. So I just turned it 90 degrees and pulled it out. So the ground was never connected on this one. It's not how I hook it up. 2 different screws to hold the bracket down. And if you have a really old one that's made out of cast, it's not a good idea to let it hang by the wires. It'd probably be fine, but those are really heavy. Those, I would recommend a second person. Maybe the guy holding the camera could set that down and give you a hand. No. Alright, so get hot and neutral. Good idea to have a little tester. The switch is off. Just want to double check. Got nothing there. Shouldn't have anything at the neutral, but double check is always good. Here we go. Recap these. And then this